Hello class, Mr. Gold here, and today we're going to make, for art class, a Christmas landscape. Okay, so the word landscape again is a word. It's a category for art where it's a drawing of the outdoors, where you usually see the ground and the sky, and trees, mountains, and such. And one important thing is the separation of the sky and the ground. We call that the horizon line, or we call it the ground line. Okay, so we're going to start one step at a time how to draw this landscape. Okay, so first step, we're going to start with the ground line. Now, it could be straight, it could be round, it could be wavy. Okay, I'm just going to make it like a little hilltop there, okay? And then we're going to start with the main subject here, the Christmas tree. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw kind of like a triangle. And at the bottom, I'm going to make some zigzags. Okay, and then I'm going to make another, now I'm going to make two lines that come out here. Okay, so it's gradually getting bigger towards the bottom. And then I'm going to do some more zigzags here. And again, it doesn't have to be exactly like mine. It's okay if it's a little different. So again, I'm going to bring more lines down. Okay, make some zigzags here. And keep going. As you can see, I keep going until it gets a little longer. Okay, now at the bottom, all right, so there's my tree, nice and tall. And at the bottom, I'm going to show, now it's sitting in snow. So I'm going to make a couple curvy lines like this, so it looks like it's sitting in snow, like the snow's a little bumpy. Okay, cool, all right. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase my my horizon line that goes through the tree, okay, because we don't want to see that. All right, and then next we're going to make some big mountains, so let's make couple of big mountains here. We're going to put some snow on it. Snow-capped mountains. So it's winter time. So some snow got stuck on top of these mountains. Boom. All right. Now we're going to make some more Christmas trees that getting further away. Now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to make, again, a bunch of zigzags that kind of go out. And I'm going to make a point here. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So that one, now this tree is farther away. Now I'm going to make another tree over here, even smaller. Okay, again, I'm going to do zigzags that gradually get wider. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now you have a sense of things kind of getting farther away. All right, now we're going to put a present over here. So I'm going to make a kind of a 3D present. So I start with a line and the two lines that go out. Connect it like this, okay? And I'll go down like this, and then I'm actually going to draw on the sides here, so it kind of looks a little more 3D. All right, then we could put a bow on top if you want. Okay, now you see the bottom. I'm not going to draw the bottom of it because the snow is going to kind of cover it. So I'm going to draw again kind of that bumpy snow. Okay, so there's our present, and then over here we'll make a candy cane. So we're going to draw a curve. Okay, nice. And then again at the bottom, I'm going to make like the kind of snow like that. And then the fun part about a candy cane, we're going to make what we call diagonal lines, that is slanting lines, and they're going to go up. Okay, so our picture is looking pretty good now. All right, now the last step will be some snow. Now we're going to make some different size snowflakes. We'll make a bunch of circles. So I'm going to make a bunch of big circles first. And you see I'm moving around the paper. I don't have to draw too many. Okay, and now I'm going to draw some smaller ones, just so it has a little variety, because, you know, pictures look nice when there's a variety. Okay, and then the last step is when we color it, what we could do is we're going to put like a little shadow on the ground. So it looks like, so just a little, not too much, just to show that these things are on the ground. Sometimes you might want to add a little shadow. All right, and oh yeah, we got to put some ornaments. Oh, forgot the ornaments. So, yeah, the ornaments at the moment look like snow, but you'll color them different colors. Okay, so we'll make a bunch of different sizes like that. And then I guess the last thing we'll do is we'll put another line here to kind of the stream of lights, you know, add a little more to it. And then, all right, then voila, we have a drawing. Okay, so I did that in pencil. And then the next step is you'll color it. And if you have either a marker or a crayon, you can outline it in black. And then we're done. There you go. And there's your Christmas landscape.